In this video, let us find a missing pattern. Find the missing term from the given options. Solution. We are given three patterns, patterns 1, 3 and 4, and we are asked to find the missing pattern, pattern 2, by identifying the predefined rules in the patterns. There is one of the mathematical operators in each of the given figures and its position is moving clockwise. Thus, the mathematical operator in the missing pattern is into and its position is as shown below. Now, for understanding the predefined rule in the patterns, let us label the region containing the mathematical operator as region 1 in all the 4 patterns and the rest of the regions as region 2, region 3 and region 4 respectively in the clockwise direction. Then, the predefined rule in each of the figures can be stated as shown. That is, the number in region 3 operated with the mathematical operator in region 1 over the number in region 4 gives the number in region 2. Let us apply the predefined rule to all the patterns 1, 2, 3 and 4. In pattern 1, 2 plus 5 equals 7. In the missing pattern, pattern 2, 7 into 2 equals 14. In pattern 3, 18 divided by 6 equals 3. In pattern 4, 9 minus 7 equals 2. Hence, option A is the right answer.
Hope you all like this video. For more videos and update on the upcoming free classes, you can be part of a WhatsApp group and Telegram group. To be part of the WhatsApp group, you can just text to this number, and to be part of the Telegram group and Telegram channel, you can just search Christy's classes in Telegram. In the Telegram group, daily live free quizzes happen at 9 p.m. on General Aptitude. You can be part of that quiz also. And if you want live free classes for General Aptitude, you can download Unacademy mobile application and search this profile Christy Varghese, and you can see 300 plus pre-recorded videos, and upcoming daily live classes happen at 11 a.m. Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. free classes happen in this profile. So you're welcome to attend this free classes also, and more YouTube video details are given here. And these are the details of the full courses or the paid